object pronouns. Object pronouns are words that replace nouns acting as the object of a verb. They receive the action of the verb. Let's go on. We have here the subject pronouns. For each subject pronoun, there is an object pronoun. For example, for I, there is me as object pronoun. That means a me, a me. Okay? For you, okay, there is you. That means a ti. For you one more time, there is you again. That means a usted. For you one more time, we have you. That means a ustedes. Remember that in Spanish we have three ways to say you, and one is a ti, the other is a usted when you are talking in a respectful way, and the other is a ustedes when you are talking in plural, okay? And the first one is a ti when you talk in singular face to face to a person. Okay, then we have we, us as object pronoun, that means a nosotros. Then we have they, and we have them, that means a ellos. Then we have him, that means a él. Next is her, that means a ella. And finally we got it, that means a eso. Okay, so those are the object pronouns. Now let's check the examples. Example number one, me. The teacher helped me. Number two, I saw you yesterday. I saw you yesterday. Number three, they gave the gift to him. They gave the gift to him. Number four, he called her on the phone. He called her on the phone. Number five, the dog chased it. The dog chased it. And the last one, they invited us to the party. They invited us to the party. Okay, so that's it. Those are all the examples about the object pronouns. I hope you understood everything. So if not, you can comment and I will answer back as soon as possible. Okay, well, see you in the next video. Don't forget to click here with the arrow points and see you in that video. See you next time.